arrived in Chiang Mai. It's very hot here. And I'm just going to pick a grab up to the hotel. It's 3 o'clock and the flight was 2 hours, so yeah, it was a good flight. We're just going to go check into the hotel. Made it to the room. We have elephants, which is fitting. Oh. Let me open them. I'll do the bathroom first. So you got, yeah, nice little clothes storage bit here. Sliding doors to the bathroom. Big mirror, sink. A big shower actually. And a nice double bed with TV. It's a nice room actually. Not much of a view, but we're in the middle of Chiang Mai. What do you expect?
You want to see me shower?
I know. We're just taking a walk. Don't know where to.
Oh, I thought you did.
Oh well, I do, but I don't know. Vaguely. So we're staying in the old city, which is inside a big. The cat, I can't see it. Inside a big what is it? A big square, which is a river running around it. So we'll just put some clips in of where we go. So we're at the Wat DIDN, if that's how you pronounce it. There's so we're just on the way to Faye Walking Street Market, I think it is, or the Faye Gate, and this is the Wat Phan On. We've just ordered a roti with chocolate from here. We've got our chocolate roti. Nice. So we've come to Kitty Plant and we're sat outside. We're just having a look on the menu, but you have to do it online. So if you want to, scan the QR there.
You get pork rack from here and chicken skin rack.
Just ate at Kitty Pani. How was it, Polly?
Delicious.
Delicious. Probably the best thing I've had this trip. And I had pork curry, Polly had beef, which you'd have seen. But it's very nice, and I would recommend if you're in the area in Chiang Mai. I think I just said Phuket for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, definitely not in Phuket. We're in Chiang Mai. We're coming to Kalare Night Bazaar. tuk-tuk ride home. That's if we make it back. Just had breakfast at Fang, I think it was called, which was really good. I put some pictures of what we had. Now we're just going to walk to Three Kings Monument. Oh, we only had a light breakfast this week. Got a cooking class at 1 which we booked this morning, which was 800 baht each, so we'll show you that when we get there.
Soup, right? We call tom yum. Tom yum is mean Thai soup, right? And this one, the whole long green one that we call lemongrass, and then kaffir lime leaf. Everyone know lemon, everyone know lime. Kaffir lime leaf, I show you later for the foot. The foot look like a lime side, but skin is wrinkled or bumpy. And the taste is like a lemony and bitter together. And this one is the kalangka. This one is the kalangka. The one is look like a ginger, right? Yeah. Okay, but the taste is quite stronger. And this one, the yellow one, we call turmeric. Turmeric, right? All the whole thing we use it for your soup for today. Okay. Everyone try to swallow the lemongrass, yeah. Okay.
Lemongrass.
Yeah, that's mean it's good. Actually, we do not eat, but we don't tell you don't eat lemongrass. Okay. When you make with the red curry, you can try with fresh noodle. Okay, right? And egg noodle, see that one? You have egg noodle and also we have rice noodle. Okay, yeah, rice noodle. When you have pad thai, everyone loves pad thai. We cook with rice noodle.
Just come to the market. We're on the Thai cottage cooking course. I'll insert some clips of the Lady Oily.
Heaping spoon of oyster. The reason is they is sticky. It's stuck into the bottom, so just a little bit like heaping spoon of oyster sauce. Dip. Okay. Okay, Pad Thai team, we are almost done. You can add bean sprout and try. You can do that. ซอยสอดดูสิฟอร์มcolor good for presentation ถ้ามันน้อยใส่แล้วคนเยอะเป็นสิบที่ไม่ใส่ก็เสียแล้วล่ะ Can you get off? Yes, off. Okay. It's very easy.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Nice. The blue flower.
หนูตะโกนบอกเขาปิดแก๊สให้พี่หน่อยปิดแก๊สทำข้าว
ปิดแก๊สข้าวให้หน่อยปิดแก๊สข้าวให้หน่อยค่ะแก๊สข้าวปิดแล้วยังปิดแล้วเหรอ
This is for the blue tea. I get mine.
Because they go crazy of the sushi, you know. Can you please bring it on the table here? We need 1 tablespoon of fish oil and 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Masaman, Panyang. We're on the way back to the hotel now.
Literally at the hotel now.
Thai, what was it called? Thai cottage cooking class.
Fully recommended.
Yeah.
The guy was lovely. Spoke really good English, not that you should necessarily have to.
Clear.
All the ingredients were there, went to the market.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
Had gone.
Yeah, so we're going to have a relax now, then head out tonight. We've come back to the Anusan market. We only got back from the food at 5:30, so it's 7:30 now, and we're just having a wander. Then we're going to grab some food in a bit. Just bought this for 300 baht. So it's a Leicester emblem made of tin that he's handmade and painted. Polly's just bought this. Hand drawn. 2,500 baht from this lovely gentleman. This is some of his other art. So the artist is called Kamon Tetu, and we're in Chiang Mai night market. Just coming into the Flo Radi night market because I'm hungry and need some food. I've just ordered a bacon double cheeseburger and cheese and bacon fries. Polly's sat over there with a Coke. After eating all the Thai food today, I just fancied some comfort food. Here's the bacon and cheese fries and bacon double cheeseburger. 320 baht. We're on our way. We've got Elephant Sanctuary tomorrow morning at 6, so we're just going to go back and crash. So we'll see you bright and early. It is the morning. We've just stopped off at a service station on the way to the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. Go, go, go. Let's go. Go on then. So we've just fed the elephants some bananas. So we're at a sanctuary, so it's more ethical, so there's no riding, and the guide's really informative of what you do. Yeah? Polly's going for, so this is 3 years old. Yeah, she's 3 years old. And they can live up to 75. How old? 7. Yeah. Name? Mali. Mali. So we're at the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary, which they started off with one sanctuary of 3 elephants. Now they have 20 across Thailand and over 100 elephants, and they protect them and keep them safe from poachers and stuff like that. Yeah, but all the workers there are really good and really informative of what they do to care and make sure that the Asian elephants are safe in Thailand.
Kia phân gì phòng pha rồi, vai kia kia tỉnh.
We're back at the hotel. We're both very tired, but what did you think? Really good. Yeah, we've had lots of good days. It's only 1 o'clock, but we're gonna have a rest and recover, and then head back out because it's our last day in Chiang Mai before Bangkok. We've come back to the food market. I'm ordering a pizza. I got a chicken and onion for 265 baht, and there's Polly. She's just ordered us some bits from the curry stand. I think a butter chicken and pakora. We're on our way back to the hotel now. We just bought some last bits, a magnet and our Starbucks mug, so this is the end of the